This old guy DIY video has to do with the continuing saga of the 2-ton more power puller that came from the auction. So after I had it in the vinegar and I wiped it off with a rag, and then I dumped some automotive oil on the various moving parts, I pressure washed it and just let it hang outside for a couple of days. And right now it's going to get some black Rust-Oleum. This is what the puller looks like after my Rust-Oleum tune-up. So there's my favorite product. Now I could either put it on eBay and triple my money, or put it into service and get about 40 years of service out of it. I think I'll choose the latter. I just need to get some cable and we'll shoot another video in a week or so. Have a good day. This old guy DIY video has to do with loading a more power puller 2-ton winch, and the manufacturer suggests that you use 5/16 polyester cable, and I had some 3/8 here at the house, and that stuff was, I think, 100 feet long, designed to be used on a winch with a truck. It has a tensile strength of like 23,000 pounds, or a braking strength of 23,000 pounds. So since I'm not using the product they described, and this one had a lug on one end and a hook on the other end, I decided that I would go ahead and load this to determine how long a piece of this particular product it could take. So now I'm going to just put a piece of white electrical tape around here, and then I'll take the material off the spool and I'll know how much to cut on the other end where the hook has already been installed by the factory. I had 17 feet on the spool, so now I'm going to go to the hook end, measure 17 feet, cut it, install a lug, and load the winch. Anytime I'm going to cut a nylon rope or product like this, I put electrical tape on there first, then I put my cut right in the middle of the tape, and that way the ends don't fray if it's some time before I end up putting some type of end solution on it later.